Today, I want to talk about an $800 billion industry that is facing a deep crisis. That industry is industrial equipment. Did you know that in the industrial equipment space, customer retention rates can be as low as 51% over the equipment lifetime? 1 out of 2 customers leaving. More than $40 billion of lost revenue each year. Hi, I'm Lorenzo, CEO of AnyLedger and PhD in theoretical physics. And I'm here to tell you how AnyLedger is helping these companies reclaim this lost revenue. But what do we mean by industrial equipment? Well, packaging machine, laser cutters, hydraulics. After the sale, the next time that equipment manufacturers will have information about these machines is when they break. Traditional hardware companies have never been able to obtain trusted data from machines on the field. And without information on how the customer is using their machines, equipment manufacturers cannot predict when machine will need maintenance. They cannot innovate on pricing models. They cannot create custom service agreements. So why, if it's so important, why has it not been possible to obtain trusted data until now? The problem is that these machines are not able to securely connect to the cloud. All these machines are powered by tiny sensors, and these sensors don't have enough computational resources to support standard security measures. Data can be manipulated by hackers and untrusted third parties. These sensors are not reliable. They cannot be trusted. That is why I'm proud to announce today that for the very first time, we can enable industrial equipment to generate trusted data. And we can guarantee that data and processes are tamper-proof by combining secure key storage and distributed ledger technologies. And we can do that even for devices smaller than the size of a thumb. Woo! So how does it work? First, we install AnyLedger software on the connected device. Now the device is able to send transactions, sign data, and execute smart contracts, meaning that data validation is now verifiably correct and secure. The device acts autonomously on a blockchain by owning its private access key, which are generated on the device, never known to AnyLedger or to any other third party. Finally, the device is able to connect to a blockchain. The connection is given by AnyLedger Cloud, which abstracts all the blockchain complication from developers. The root of trust starts at the device and ends to an immutable ledger. Trusted data can be easily accessed. Indeed, system administrators and developers can interact with blockchain and devices from our dashboard or our API. We are working with Bosch to explore how a traditional hardware company will make a transition to a software-driven enterprise. And with Rexroth, where we are exploring the implication of this technology on new repair and service agreements. We are also exploring how existing IoT platforms, like Software AG, will start offering blockchain capabilities. Our team comes from top IoT companies and top blockchain projects. Together, we executed for the very first time a smart contract from a tiny embedded device. Our business model is pretty simple. We bundle the device software with our platform, and we charge per every device that uses it. Again, industrial equipment, an $800 billion industry. But right now, IoT extends only to 6% of this. What we are doing will unlock the remaining 94%. And it's not just industrial equipment. What we are solving is a core issue of IoT. As IoT gets cheaper and distributed technology more scalable, eventually every sensor, every device out there will benefit from it. But to go to this future, IoT needs data that can be trusted. And that's what AnyLedger enables. Thank you.